Hi, Leah.
Hi.
I'm hungry. Let's go get some food over there.
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
Snacks for sale! Snacks for sale!
Hi.
Hi!
Can we have some snacks? We're very hungry.
Sure, what would you guys like?
Can I have Kit Kat?
Okay, just put your money in the slot up there and choose whatever you'd like.
Wow, yummy.
What would you like, Super Leah?
I want Cheetos.
Okay, so you're gonna put your money up there and you're gonna push the button, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.
Leah, we forgot ice cream.
Okay.
We have to go back.
Okay.
You guys are back again?
Yeah, we forgot ice cream.
Oh, ice cream? I don't have ice cream here. But if you come with me to my ice cream stand over there,
Yeah?
we can get some ice cream.
Okay.
Let's go. Okay, guys, here's my ice cream stand. Let me know what you guys want.
Can I have a chocolate popsicle?
Sure. And for you, Super Leah?
Can I have pink?
Pink strawberry ice cream?
Yeah.
Sure. All right, guys, let me get it ready for you. Ooh, the vending machine lady's gone. Time to do some shopping. I'll just park this here. Haha. Lots of goodies. Take some of these. Some of this. And all of these. There we go. Oh no! Thank you, vending machine lady. Time to go eat my snacks. Okay, Anwar, here's your chocolate popsicle.
Thank you.
And Leah, here's your strawberry ice cream.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, I have to get back to my vending machine, okay? Enjoy your
Okay.
ice cream.
Bye.
Oh no! What happened to all my stuff? It's gone!
Oh no, Leo, someone needs our help. Let's go. Oh no, what happened?
Somebody took all of my snacks.
That's not good.
I need your guys' help to find who stole them.
We'll help you.
This looks like a good spot to have my snacks.
I think that's the thief over there, Leo.
Let's go get her.
Okay,
Oh no, guys, I gotta run.
come back here. You have to give all that stuff back and no more stealing.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll give everything back.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye!